Welcome to my kitchen, and welcome back to Cooking Show at Home. If you love Caesar salad, you'll definitely want to try this vegetarian version with blackened tofu that I'm making today. By liking this video and subscribing to my channel, you'll help it grow and allow me to share even more recipes with you. Let's start with the tofu. Choose extra firm tofu. It makes the crispiest bites. First, press out as much water as possible. I'm using a tofu press, but if you don't have one, just wrap the tofu in kitchen towels and place something heavy on top. Set it aside for 10 to 15 minutes. While that's draining, let's mix our blackened seasoning. If you don't have a store-bought one, here's how to make it. 2 tablespoons smoked paprika. 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, optional for heat. 1 teaspoon each of dried onion and dried garlic. Half teaspoon crushed black pepper. 1 teaspoon salt. Half teaspoon each of dried basil, oregano, and thyme. Mix it all together and set aside. Now, back to the tofu. Cut the drained tofu into bite-sized cubes. Place them in a bowl and add about 1/4 cup of low-sodium soy sauce. Then, sprinkle over the seasoning mix. Toss well so all pieces are coated. You could pan fry them, but I prefer using an air fryer. Less oil, healthier, and still crispy. My air fryer has a rack, so I line it with foil, drizzle with olive oil, and spread the tofu evenly. I set it to 382 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. About halfway through, I also toss in some croutons to warm them up. Now, let's make the salad. Chop 2 heads of romaine lettuce. I like adding cherry tomatoes to my Caesar, so I'll have a handful of those. Grate about 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese and combine everything in a salad bowl. When the tofu and croutons are ready, it's time to assemble. Add the salad. Top with the blackened tofu and croutons. And drizzle with store-bought Caesar dressing. And there you have it, vegetarian Caesar salad with blackened tofu. Bon appetit! Try this recipe in your own kitchen, and you'll find the ingredient list in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!